Welcome, and today we are going to be making an Italian style panino. So we're going to be using ciabatta bread. We're going to season it with Genovese style pesto sauce mixed with mayonnaise. We're going to put tomato on it, mozzarella cheese, and avocado. We are using ciabatta bread because it's Italian and we want to use something a little bit heavier. This right here, this is a wet mozzarella. It's not a dry mozzarella. We don't have a panini press, so we're gonna use this cast iron skillet and we're gonna press the panini down with this cast iron skillet. Starting off, we are going to cut this ciabatta bread. So first we're gonna cut off the end and then we're gonna slice our way down to open it to put our ingredients on the sandwich. Now we're gonna cut it into a square. We are gonna be mixing the pesto, which is mostly basil and it's very Italian, with the mayonnaise. It's just because I like it. And now it's not Italian at all, but I like it, so we're gonna mix it with it. I wanna try some of this. Hey, that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna start heating up the pan to medium heat. Now here comes the slicing. Panino is sandwich in Italian, and panini is plural. If we make one for ourselves, it would be panino, and panini if we would be like if we made it for a bunch of people. It's basically a hot sandwich. That's what it is. You're pressing it down to make it like flat, and it's hot. Now we're gonna build the sandwich. Now we're gonna start by putting the cheese on. We want to create a nice even layer. Now we're gonna spread the sauce on top of the cheese. We're gonna add the tomato and the avocados. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna add a second layer of cheese. Now we want the cheese on top because we want the cheese to melt and it won't heat the avocado or the tomatoes. We're gonna put the rest of the pesto mix on top of the other ciabatta slice. We're gonna give it a little squish. Since we don't have a press, we're gonna put it on our skillets. So we're gonna press it down with the little skillet. Hold on. So we want to scorch the bottom of the panino and we want to get the cheese, we want to start getting the cheese melty. Okay, so depending on how hot you have your press, it'll take about 3 or 4 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it over. Oh my God, we burnt the bottom. Oh my God, we burnt the bottom. I think it was too hot. Ooh, fried avocado. Fried avocado. I can't believe we burnt the bottom, man. That just sucks. We're gonna take it off and put it on the cutting board. Oh. Now we're gonna cut it in half. Doesn't that look great? I made this panino by watching a bunch of panino videos, and I picked out a whole bunch of sections from the video and put it in one. I've asked my friend to come out and try it and taste it with me, so we're gonna put his on the plate. Come on, JT. So are you ready to try it?
Yes.
That is fantastic. And I'm really digging the cheese too.
I'm digging the burnt part, but everything else is good too.
Okay, so this panino was good. You guys should definitely try it and hopefully you don't burn it.